everyone. Welcome back to Dazola Designed, you guys. This is just a quick video. Today we're going to pick a winner for this awesome Ferris wheel and big twist yarn giveaway, you guys. This was 9 skeins of yarn. This is what the big twist yarn looked like. You guys, tomorrow there will be another awesome giveaway for you. Tomorrow will be Saturday, so be on the lookout for that. Just letting you all know. This is what YouTube looks like on my end. Here is the video link right here. I'm going to copy that link. We're going to go over here to the YouTube random comment picker. I upgraded it, you guys. Wow. I'm going to paste the link right here, and then I'm going to scroll down and get those YouTube comments. You guys, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you all. To all of my new subscribers, if you don't know what's going on, I do have yarn giveaways on my channel once a week. This week, I'm going to have it twice a week. So if you like to enter, people really do win. It is US based only, and you just have to subscribe to my channel and watch the videos. So, amount of unique comments, 149. You guys, thank you so much. We're going to pick a winner right now. Here we go. And good luck, everyone. The winner of this giveaway is Jay. Congrats, Jay. I would have loved to see you make a table runner. Okay, well, maybe I'll make a table runner, hun. Thank you so much for watching, Jay. You guys, thank you. Please email me your mailing address. My email is down below. You guys, thanks again for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, you guys. People really do win. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. Look at all this yarn. More yarn giveaways, more tutorials. The mermaid stitch tutorials will come out this weekend, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope everyone has a super fantastic day. Look at all this yarn. Boom. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and be good and have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.